Hey guys, the video you're about to see is my little slideshow of pictures I put together from when I went to Ballahack Revelations 2. As you know, I've already put up one video of basically the start of it, but I've been so busy between reviews and project videos and things like that. It's been a while since I put up another one, so here you guys go. It's just a bunch of pictures, and also the background music you hear. A YouTube user by the name Created by Brett. He makes music via computer software, and he also does a little bit, he adds to it, like actually doing himself. But so basically I got him to make me a background song. I know it's nothing flashy, but I think it's something good to fill in with pictures, just to add a little bit more to the video. It's nothing over the top, but something, just to add to the picture slideshow itself. And y'all, let me hear y'all's feedback on the music, because I might be using it, or I would be using it in future videos if the feedback's really good, and maybe if I need to do some changes here and there, I might be able to do so. So, okay guys, that's it. Also, if you have not subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe, and also if you have been a subscriber for a while, make sure to pin me in your subscription box, that way you can always have access to my videos very easy. Okay guys, this is what you're looking at. I hope y'all guys enjoy this video.